Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam / God Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 22. We're getting to the end, so right now we're going to start clear coating the entire suit. There's a couple parts I have to let sit and dry because I had to repaint it because, like I said, the white wasn't that fresh, so I refreshed it up a little bit and I got to add some detail lines to it. And like I said before, in my Shining Gundam Build Series, if you're going to do clear coat, make sure you are outside. Make sure you wear gloves to protect your hands. Make sure you wear a respirator to protect your lungs and your body. And also, a pair of goggles would also help as well. And also note with this 2K clear coat that it needs to be used within 48 hours. So I'm hoping to have this entire suit clear coated before this can is no good. Let's get clear coating. Alright, so I have the entire suit completely clear coated. There were some spots where I gave it extra clear coat to make it extra shiny. Like for example, this shoulder here, it looks really reflective, looks really nice. So now what I'm doing is I'm putting vinyl wrapping around these edges here to make it where when they're constantly rubbing up against another part, it's not going to get all scratched up and damaged. So let's keep wrapping. Alright, so I have all the parts that need to be covered in vinyl covered. I have the shoulders done, I have the The shins and the thighs both done. I have the boots done as well. If there's any more vinyl wrapping that I need to add, I'll add that later. So that's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit a thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.